So good morning everyone, thank you for tuning in. Guess what? Today is another butchering day, and it's just not a normal day, however, because this is the last butchering day of the season, and it's actually the last butchering day on this property. As you guys know, in a past video, we broke the news that we are putting the farm up for sale. We're not done farming, however. We don't know where we're gonna go. We don't know what it's gonna look like. However, we do know that the Lord is behind it, and He's gonna show us the next step to take. So today is a huge day because we have a bunch of birds to take care of. This is actually gonna be a weekend full of butchering. I'm getting a head start right now, and we got to get moving because I think there's about 150 birds that we got to do. We kind of lost track because we did get attacked by a predator. You guys saw that in a previous video, but I'm super excited because healthy food is going to be on someone's dinner plate and ours. Some of these birds are going to be for us as well, so I'm really looking forward to eating them. So I'm an hour in and I got 15 birds done. I started at 6:15. I wanted to be out at 5. However, I missed my alarm and I was late for work. But we have a lot of work to do. I'm really excited. I'm planning basically an all-day event. I want to be done my part butchering by 11 o'clock, clean up, and then I'm gonna break them down and package them. That's my goal for the day. I want to be done by 3 o'clock, and we'll see if we can hit that mark. So we have gotten a lot of questions, asking us why would we move? Why at this time? The channel's doing good, the chicken business seems to be doing good. Why lift up everything, stop everything, and move? The only explanation that I can tell you guys is that God is telling us to move. When Jesus told his apostles to drop your nets and follow me, they didn't ask where we're going. They didn't ask for a 5-year plan, a 3-year plan. They dropped their nets and followed Jesus, and that's what we want to do. I'm not saying it's not good to have a plan. Yes, it is. However, though, when God tells you to move, it's faith. It's faith to be able to do that. I heard a great example of describing faith. It's like a trapeze artist. You have to let go of one swing and be in the mid-air. So right now we are in mid-air, and when we catch the other thing, we know that God is going to bring us through the mid-air so we can catch the other swing that follows up. That hopefully that makes sense to you. It does for us, so I guess that's what all that matters. God told us to go really hard on the chicken business this year, and we did, and it's been super successful. So that is huge, and now he's telling us to leave. And it's not like one family wants to leave, and the other family doesn't. This was sort of I don't want to say it was sort of random. But we always have family meetings, and it came, in one of the meetings, we were all on the same page, and we're like, okay, God's telling us to move, so let's do that. And it's absolutely amazing where we're at, where God is bringing us, and I'm super excited to see what happens, and I'm really excited to bring you guys along. I mean, God is telling me to continue this channel no matter what. I've been YouTubing before we were even on this property, and I'm going to continue. I really want to thank you guys. You guys have been reaching out. You guys are asking if we are okay. We are fine. We're just following God's voice, and I hope you guys are able to hear God's voice and do the same and have faith that wherever you're at in life, He's gonna pull you through, because God brought you into a situation, he can take you out of the situation, you know, good or bad. So guys, this is number 39 and 40, and I'm actually gonna end the day on this. Well, I'm actually not gonna end the day. I take that back. I still have to do the Cornish Cross Freedom Ranger experiment. It's 10 o'clock right now. So by the time I get those done, it'll probably be 11 o'clock, because there's about 8 left to go, and I'm averaging about 10 minutes, about 7 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes a bird, if there's no complications. So it's been really good. I'm actually not going to be filming tomorrow. Juliana is. Guys, go check out the membership page. Juliana is going to be filming what she does on butchering day. We never come from that angle. We're always, you know, showing you guys how we process. This wasn't even a how-to video. If you guys are interested in a how-to video, check out our last butchering video. That one was awesome. And also, if you're interested in the tools that we use, there's another video. Check that one out. That was the game changer video. So go check out the membership page, guys. Sign up for that. Juliana does behind the scenes of her day, when I have to do something like butcher, or when she has to do homeschool. She posts a video once a month, and you get a little extra pictures and stuff like that as well. So go check that out. Juliana will be making a video tomorrow. So guys, I really appreciate you guys coming along for the journey. I'm really excited what is to come for each of our families. We came together on this property as one. We're gonna leave here as one. We're family, and that's what's most important, is family. You know, because if one person's struggling, we are all struggling. However, that's not the case. We are all being called off this property and on to the next chapter of our lives. So guys, I really appreciate you tuning in to this video. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch our lives. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't be afraid to leave any comments. If you have any questions, any prayer requests, leave them down below, and I will see you guys on the next video.